Okay, how's it going? Just had breakfast, looking out at the water. Yeah, you can too, I guess. Look at it with me. But people ask me what I do all day on the island sometimes. Like, what do you do all day? You don't do nothing? Well, this is what I do, sort of. I do one of these things, if you can see that. It's you know what that is? It's shady, isn't it? I'm in the shade. I'm out of the sun. But anyway, I'm going to horrify you for like 30 seconds because I'm really going to try and do something with this stupid thing. But anyway, I've been on here for almost a week, I guess. And this is what I got out of it in a week. Okay? Later. It's different every time I do it, and I don't know, I don't have a clue what I'm doing. But anyways, I hope it wasn't too irritating for you. Later, get your friends and laugh. Ha 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 ha.